Good day, machine learning learners, and welcome to these lectures about genetic programming with TPOT. Through this set of lectures, we will be talking about genetic programming and its applications to the real world. We will be using a tool called TPOT, also some other computational tools, and of course, we will be introduce some concepts and algorithmic techniques to solve difficult computational problems in an automatic way. Our names are Santiago Álvarez Sepúlveda and Oscar Eduardo Cala Wilches, and we are students of the course Machine Learning at the National University of Colombia. Let's start by making reference to the great biologist Charles Darwin, who said, and I quote, "It is not the strongest of the species that survives, not the most intelligent that survives. It is the one that is the most adaptable to change." Later on the lecture, we will see how his work in evolutionary theory is elementary for the development of evolutionary computation, a broader way to talk about genetic algorithms and genetic programming and many other related topics. These lectures are an introduction to the very basics of evolutionary computing, starting with the presentation of the backgrounds and core concepts behind evolutionary theory and genetics. Then we move on to talk about genetic algorithms, the type of problems it solves, and the way it works through flowcharts and examples. Also, we will talk about genetic programming and what makes it a very useful approach to solve programming problems, and what difference exists between these algorithms and the genetic algorithms. Later, we will introduce a very powerful topic for machine learning. It is called auto-machine learning. The goal with this set of lectures is to give a good notions of the main concepts and real-world application of genetic algorithms, genetic programming, and automation learning, introducing and making use of computational tools as TPOT and H2O. We hope you enjoy this set of lectures.